Welcome to the new European ETF market trends for March 2016. European ETF market rebounded in March at 4.1 billion euro, which is still below the 6 billion of average we saw in 2015. The main beneficiaries of these outflows were corporate bonds and emerging market equity ETFs. On equity, we saw strong outflows for the second consecutive month at 2 billion euros. These strong outflows mainly concern European equity ETF at 3.4 billion euros, as investors have more and more doubt on the efficacy of the monetary policy implemented by the ECB, as inflation is still not picking up. On the contrary, emerging market equity ETF saw a strong rebound at 1 billion euro, a one-year record high, helped by the softer stance adopted by the Fed. Smart Beta ETF, interestingly, saw solid trend in March at 807 million after a one-year record high of 907 million in February. These strong inflows mainly concern minimum volatility ETF on US and global indexation at 520 million due to significant uncertainty on world economic growth outlook. Opposite to equity, fixed income ETF saw record high inflows in March at 5.7 billion. These strong inflows first concern emerging market debt ETF, in line with the rebound of the emerging market equity ETF. Corporate bond ETF also saw record high inflows at 3.1 billion after the announcement of additional QE by Mario Draghi in March 2016. High yield bond ETF also saw record inflows at 1.6 billion, benefiting from the very low yield environment. Worth noticing also that inflation-linked bonds continue to see high inflows at 380 million euros, mainly on US and global indexation, as inflation is picking up in the US. Finally, it is interesting to notice the rebound of commodity ETF that reached a four-year record high in Q1 2016. Thank you for listening, and I will be pleased to meet you next month for the new European ETF market trends.